Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Get rid of unwanted hair forever with only 2 ingredients. Are you bothered with the unpleasant hair on some parts of your body that you just want to disappear? Well, we got a recipe for you that will help you remove that hair. Gelatin Peel OFF Face Mask. This is one of the best home remedies when it comes to facial hair removal. Needed ingredients: 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1 1/2 tablespoons milk, 1-2 drops lavender essential oil, optional. Popsicle stick. Directions: mix the ingredients together and microwave for 10-15 seconds. When it cools a little, apply it to your skin with a popsicle stick. Wait a couple of minutes until the mask dries, then peel it off. Turmeric paste. Turmeric has been in use for treating skin diseases for centuries in India. When mixed with water, milk, or yogurt, turmeric removes hair and prevents regrowth. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that keep skin clear and healthy. Needed ingredients: turmeric, milk. Directions: mix turmeric and milk together, about a 3:1 ratio of turmeric to milk, until you have a thick paste. Spread the paste onto your skin in the same direction of your hair growth and allow it to dry. Use a dry washcloth to scrub your skin in a circular motion and remove the paste. Repeat the treatment every few days or as you see hair growth. To remove the yellow stains, simply scrub your skin with a little baking soda and soap. Sugar wax. Sugar wax is very similar to traditional waxing, but without the use of waxing strips. Needed ingredients: 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons water, 1 1/2 tablespoons lemon juice. Candy thermometer. Directions: mix the sugar, water and lemon juice in a small saucepan. Heat the ingredients on low but make sure not to cook it too long. Remove from heat and let the wax cool to room temperature. Use a spoon to scoop up a bit of the wax and then use your fingers to roll it into a ball. Spread the ball of wax onto clean, dry skin in the same direction of your hair growth. Hold your skin taut, and pull the wax off in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Natural home remedies take longer to show results, and so a bit of patience is required. The good thing is you are not using chemicals and are no side effects.